Welcome to our guide for integrating Xobin with RecruitCRM. This video will walk you through the process of setting up and testing Xobin assessments inside RecruitCRM. Let's get started. First, generating your RecruitCRM API key. Log in to RecruitCRM and navigate to Admin Settings. Scroll down or search for the API section and open it. Enable API token, then click Copy to save the token to your clipboard. Second, connecting RecruitCRM to Xobin. Log in to Xobin Dashboard, go to Settings and select Integrations. Then search for RecruitCRM and open the integration. Paste the API token and click Connect RecruitCRM. Next, click Link Jobs to Assessments. In the mapping window, first select the job, then select the corresponding assessment. Then comes Initial Stage. When a candidate is moved to the initial stage, the assessment configured in Xobin is automatically sent to the candidate. After that, there's Final Stage. The candidate is moved to the final stage once they have successfully submitted the assessment. After selecting all the options, click Save Mappings. RecruitCRM will be connected to Xobin. Third, triggering assessments. In RecruitCRM, click the Jobs icon and open the relevant job posting. Scroll to the Candidates section. Update a candidate's hiring stage to the configured initial stage. The assessment will be sent automatically. The fourth and final stage is about reviewing results. Once the candidate completes the assessment, return to the Jobs section in RecruitCRM. Scroll to the candidate list and open the candidate profile. The assessment result will be available under the Remarks section. The Xobin Assessment Report link will be embedded directly within the remarks. Click the link to view the detailed performance report from Xobin. With this, you've successfully set up, tested, and viewed results for Xobin assessments within RecruitCRM.